most people, buying a home is a dream. But unfortunately, with the sky high rates in Mumbai, most people are unable to achieve this dream or are forced to buy homes in the extended suburbs of Mumbai. So we wanted to create a new category of homes in Bhandup that is not only within the budget of Mumbaikars but also high quality and offer all the convenience of modern city living. That's how we conceptualized Neo Homes, and Bhandup was the perfect location to launch this product.
Bhandup enjoys an excellent location within the city, with good rail and road connectivity and the greenery of the National Park to the west. But the property rates are still lower than the surrounding suburbs of Mulund, Kanjurmarg, Powai, and even Thane. This is all going to change very soon. With large slum rehabilitation projects now underway, and with the metro set to come soon, Bhandup is about to transform. We have launched several Neo Homes towers in Bhandup. They are less than a kilometer from Gadav Naga and about 15 minutes from Bhandup station. Neo Square is located at Tulshitpara, Neo Hills at Tembipada, Neo Skies at Utkarsh Nagar, Neo Valley is in Kranti Nagar. There are plenty of good schools, hospitals, and entertainment options in the neighborhood. The metro is the most exciting upcoming development and will provide excellent connectivity to the whole city. Bhandup is set to have 2 metro stations, Bhandup Metro Station and Shangri-La, both only minutes away from our projects. Road connectivity is also set to improve with the proposed 90-feet road and other road widening projects. One of the longest cycling tracks from Mulund to Wadala will also run close to our projects.
We have an ambitious vision for Naya Bhandup with over 5,000 homes already being planned for the next few years and with potential development of more than 100 acres in Bhandup.
The Neo Homes towers are superbly designed with an impressive elevation. Neo Homes offer studio and 1 BHK apartments.
We wanted to design the apartments in such a way that it offers flexibility for various family sizes. We've designed the floor plans to be super efficient so you can do more with less. All the rooms have large French windows that flood the homes with natural light and lift the entire home experience.
The Neo Home Studio is perfect for young families. With a compact kitchen and provision for storage space in the bedroom, the studio can easily accommodate 3 adults. The Neo 1 BHK is designed with the urban Mumbaikar in mind and has several area options.
With Neo Homes, we wanted to provide all the amenities for residents to keep up an active lifestyle without burdening them with high maintenance costs. So we have provided amenities that are used the most, like a gym, kids play area, indoor games room, and more. We've made sure that there is something for everyone in the family.
With Neo Homes, Marathon enters a brand new segment of high quality affordable housing. A mix of convenient location within the city, a good product design and a right pricing makes Neo Homes a perfect नई शुरुआत for a first time home buyer.